This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB and Redbus.
The Fame Game.
This is Go MMT Radio. My name is Annie, and today's show is going to be rather unique because we've got a new talent that we're going to talk about on The Fame Game. Sanika Shah is on the show with me today, and she happens to be a hip-hop dancer. Sanika, so nice to have you on the show. Welcome.
Hi Annie, it's great to be on the show.
Hip-hop, huh? For how long have you been doing this?
I have been dancing my whole life.
When you say whole life, how young or old are you?
I am 22 right now, but all 22 years I was dancing.
Really?
Yeah, I got into the competitive hip-hop dancing more in my college years, like when I was 16, 17 maybe.
Oh, that must have been quite a lot of fun because that is actually the time when hip-hop really picked up in India.
Yeah, and I had my own dance crew. It was the Ethereal Dance Crew, and we participated in a lot of competitions like Pan India. We went to Mumbai for this IIT Bombay's cultural fest, which was Mood Indigo, and we were the finalists over there.
That is so cool. And you happen to be from one of the most sought after hill stations of the state of Maharashtra, which is Mahabaleshwar.
Yes.
So that's cool, yeah. You can also visit parents whenever you want, and still you're in a place which is like really cool weather throughout the year. So that's pretty nice, I think, Sanika.
Yeah, that was one of my favorite places, like for a weekend getaway when I was young. And now that I have to work from there, it's going to be great.
Okay, we're going to talk about hip-hop dancing. We're going to talk about your job at MMT. All of that as we go along. This is The Fame Game with Sanika Shah.
सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है. अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है, एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है. जल्दी से अपॉइंटमेंट लो और अपना एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप करवाओ. To know more, connect with HR operations team now. सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है.
The Fame Game.
This is Go MMT Radio. It's called The Fame Game, and the famous hip-hop dancer we have is Sanika Shah on the show with me today. She is going to very soon work from this beautiful hill station in Maharashtra called Mahabaleshwar. It's very, very popular, and really throughout the year, the weather is so cool that who wouldn't want to spend there all their time when the rest of the city, the plains is really reeking under the sun. And the humidity, oh my God. You should run away to this place as soon as you can, Sanika.
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about hip-hop is something that you love to do. We are going to talk in detail about it. Also, your job you seem to be enjoying because it's also going to give you a chance, like it already is giving you a chance to travel. But before we get to any of those details, let's quickly finish off with the very first game, which is the Bollywood quiz. Are you ready for this?
Yes, very excited.
Okay, let's ask you the first question. Which Bollywood movie featured the song Chaiya Chaiya? Come on.
I know this.
Yeah.
Dil Se.
Yeah. The three actors that made their debut with the movie Student of the Year.
Okay, easy one. Alia Bhatt, Siddharth Malhotra, Varun Dhawan.
That is correct. The Bollywood film which is based on the story of the athlete, the sprinter, Mr. Milkha Singh.
Bhag Milkha Bhag.
That is correct. Mogambo Khush Hua. Which movie is this dialogue from?
Mr. India.
Oh, good. For a 22-year-old, you know these old movies also, huh? The 80s.
Yeah,
Very good.
I'm a fan of the 90s, 80s.
Then let's throw another dialogue at you. Kitne aadmi the? Which movie?
It is Gabbar Singh from Sholay.
That is correct. Tension lene ka nahi, dene ka. Which movie?
Oh, now this is a tough.
Come on. Very big hit.
Is this from Munna Bhai MBBS?
That is correct. Not supposed to be a question, by the way. I asked you the question. मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. Which movie?
Oh, that's the classic Pooh from Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
No.
Oh, it's Jab We Met. It's
Yeah.
from Jab We Met. How can I forget?
The last question. This may be tricky, maybe not, because it's an iconic movie. जिंदगी बड़ी होनी चाहिए, लंबी नहीं. Babu Moshai. Purani
from
movie.
Anand?
Oh my God. Well done. I love it. Oh my God. Very good, yeah? Sanika, kya baat
I'm a
hai.
big Bollywood fan.
You proved it.
Hi, I'm Vishal Vikram Singh,
Hi, this is Ravi Chaurasia from HR department.
and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
क्वार्टर प्लानिंग तो हो जाएगी, बट वीकेंड प्लानिंग कब करोगे दोस्त?
You serious? Go MMG Radio. Let's go.
The Fame Game.
The Fame Game with Sanika Shah. Let's talk about hip hop. When did you start? Tell us a little of that story.
Yeah, so actually, when I was little, I have an elder sister. So she was into Bharatnatyam, which is a classical dance form. So my mom wanted me to enroll in that as well. And I went there for a while. And then I was like, no, this just isn't for me. I need something more, upbeat. So I told her that, no, I want to join a dance class, which is like more hip hop focused or Bollywood focused maybe. So then I joined a dance class and I used to go there every weekend and I loved it. So afterwards, in college, I joined a dance crew named Ethereal Dance Crew. It was a college dance crew. We competed in a lot of intercollegiate competitions and everything. And then afterwards, after 1 or 2 years, I became the leader of the dance crew. It was a great journey. And even right now, me and my elder sister, we have this a side hustle going on. We do wedding choreographies. We do 2 to 3 weddings a month.
Wow, that is something.
So that's something we like to do together.
That is so sweet, yeah, Sanika. And I think that's a really great way to kind of explore the talent that you have. And you can put it on so many different platforms and so many different thoughts, ideas, stories. Storytelling, this is a form of storytelling only through dance. And you seem to be thoroughly enjoying it. Wow.
सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है. अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है. एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है. जल्दी से अपॉइंटमेंट लो और अपना एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप करवाओ. To know more, connect with HR operations team now. सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है.
Hello Trippers, I am Divakar Pari and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
The Fame Game.
My name is Annie and with me is Sanika Shah, hip-hop dancer from Hotel Supply Department based out of Mahabaleshwar. She's just 22 and already has a side hustle going on with her sister where one is a classical dancer and the other is a hip-hop dancer. So that's a great combination really to throw in when it comes to wedding choreography or choreography of any kind for that matter. You still continue participating in competitions, Sanika?
Not really, because I don't have the time for it now, because we used to practice for 7-8 hours a day, and I just don't think I can dedicate that much of time right now. So I just like to go on little workshops or do this wedding choreography thing with my sister, but not competitive dancing.
But I'm sure you keep putting up your reels and things on Instagram, do you?
Actually, no, I don't do that.
Why?
Me and my sister, we do have a joint page for our wedding choreographies. So I just put a lot of content over there, but not on my main Insta page.
What is this page that you'll share?
So that is Sangeets by Purva.
Sangeet by Purva.
Yeah.
पर ये संगीत कम और नृत्य ज्यादा है, तो नाम संगीत क्यों दिया?
Sangeet because in Maharashtrian weddings, I think in weddings all over, there's this part called Sangeet, and over there they have all this dance program and songs and everything. So whenever we get orders, they are Sangeet orders. So that's why it's Sangeets by Purva.
All right, that is, I'm sure, something that you've been enjoying. For how long have you been doing this now?
I think since I was in 7th or 8th standard.
So this is a good side hustle for you, huh?
Yeah.
Lovely.
I love doing side hustles. I used to also take Rubik's Cube classes when I was in 5th, 6th standard maybe.
You're good at Rubik's also?
Yeah, I can solve 16, 17 different types of Rubik's Cubes.
In how much time?
Less than a minute.
That is something, Sanika. So it's not just dance, it's also the brains that you have. So brain with style, huh?
Yeah.
Keep at it, please keep at it and keep putting up all these things. In fact, the Rubik's puzzles that you keep solving, you should put those up on your Insta handle. Do you have those on your Insta handle?
No, actually, I just have like pictures of some travel or something on my Insta handle.
But you should also do this Rubik's Cube thing and also some personal choreography that you do. Say one day in the morning you woke up and did a 1 minute choreography. Put it up over there. It'll be so nice to see. So what's your handle, Sanika?
It's __ dot Sanika.
__ dot Sanika. It's a nice way of making it unique, huh?
I mean, just Sanika was not available.
I know, which is where everybody then heads into the direction of making it unique. So __ aa hi jate hain.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, this is Leander Pace and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
The Fame Game.
Sanika Shah on the Fame Game with me, hip-hop dancer, and in the hotel supply department. Now, hotel supply means that you have to keep talking to a lot of vendors, hotels, for stays, come up with good deals, sell the deals to them. How have you found all of this so far in the job?
I mean, I love interacting with new people. I love to make new connections. So I think I'm in the perfect field for me. When I go out and I talk to everyone, it's just, I mean, all these hoteliers, they are like so experienced and they have such good information, and I just like to listen to them before like speaking anything. I am learning while teaching them as well.
Well done. So now it's time for the last game, which is called Wrong Answers Only. Are you ready for this? Get creative, okay? Just don't give me the wrong answer. Give me any wrong answer. Make it interesting, okay?
Okay.
The rapid fire round.
Which side of the bed did you wake up this morning?
The sunny side.
What beverage do you love the most? Tea or coffee?
Starbucks.
Taking the name of a brand, huh? What is your biggest fear?
Puppies. Cute little puppies.
What do you wear on your head on a sunny day?
Swimming cap.
What do you see in a mirror?
A princess.
Oh my God. Who is Captain America's sidekick?
MS Dhoni.
Good.
Thala for a reason.
Yeah. What's the main ingredient in a bolognese pasta?
Nutella.
What's the best drink for a summer day?
Hot mancha soup.
Nice. And the last question. What's the most famous landmark in the world?
Jail.
Well done, Sanika. I hope you had fun too.
Yeah, I had a lot of fun.
Thank you so much. You were amazing. And it's really nice to know that there is so much that you love to do. You use your creativity. You use your talent in the dance forms and the dance stories that you tell people. You love telling people, choreography. All the very best, both for your dance forms and the love for dance, as well as for you at work. Because I'm sure you have dreams of growing to new heights at MMT. So all the best.
Thank you so much, Annie. It was great talking to you.
Absolutely lovely talking to you. Sanika Shah from Mahabaleshwar, well, from Pune, but now based out of Mahabaleshwar for Hotel Supply Department. With that, it's a wrap. I will be seeing you again 2 days later with Filmy Friday. Till then, keep that smile and keep traveling.
हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है जल्दी से अपॉइंटमेंट लो और अपना एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप करवाओ To know more, connect with HR operations team now. सेहत है तो सब कुछ है इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo and Redbus.